First, click on the video. Take the Facebook video format. Go to Photos. Search for a black background. Add an image. Click on More, then set the image as the background. Go to Elements. Search for a triangle. Add a long triangle. Crop it and adjust its size and position. Next, add a square shape. Adjust its size and position. Go to Photos. Search for Biryani. Add a biryani bowl image. Change the shape's color. Go to Elements. Search for a shadow. Add a circular shadow. Place it at the bottom of the bowl. Send it backward. Next, add a heading. Type your heading text. Choose Lazy Dog font. Change the font size to 100 pixels. Decrease the letter spacing. Duplicate and add another text. Choose Hey Gotcha font. Change the font size to 150 pixels. Adjust the letter spacing. Add another text. Now choose Montserrat font. Change the font size to 30 pixels. Go to Effect. Choose Curve. Set the value to 35. Change its color to white. Now, add a description. Choose Montserrat font. Change the font size to 20 pixels. Go to Elements. Search for a dotted shape. Change its color to white. Now, add delivery text. Add a phone number. Next, search for a discount. Add a discount tag. Change its color. Add offer text. Go to Elements. Search for Order Now. Add an element. Change its color to white. Next, search for a smoke texture. Add a texture graphic. Rotate it and adjust its size. Bring it to the front. Now search for a curve element. Add an element and place it on the right side. Change its color to white. Duplicate and flip it horizontally. Place it on the left side. Duplicate the page. First, delete the texture, curve, and order elements from the first page. Select the heading text. Apply burst animation. Next, select the delivery and discount text. Apply ascend animation. Next, apply typewriter animation to the text. Select the dotted line and apply neon animation. Select the discount tag. Apply pop animation. Select the bowl and apply scrapbook animation. Add blur animation to the shadow. Select the rectangle shape. Apply wipe animation. Change the direction from down to up. Select the triangle shape. Apply wipe animation. Change the direction from up to down. Now, increase the page duration. Select all elements. Click on More, then show element timing. Now, adjust all elements' timing to make sequential animation. After this, go to the second page. Select the bowl. Apply pulse motion effect. Next, select the curve. Apply tumble animation. Now, select the texture. Apply ink animation. Choose Style Flow. Adjust the element's timing. Select the order element. Apply stomp animation. Hide the element's timing. Reduce the page duration. Your animation is ready. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.